Tim. We're going to do a large Dutch pour. I wanted to do this one today. See how it would come out. Dang it, I did not rip the back. I didn't tape the back, but I think we'll be okay. This one. Okay, I gotta make sure my corners aren't gonna drip on my floor. So this is an experiment. I've never, well, I have, but I haven't. That makes sense. So I'm going to use a white for a base. And this is my Artist Loft white. Okay, let's go for it. Put down a layer of this first. Ooh, that's a long ways to reach. I know it's going to take all of this one here at least. Okay. I've got another one down there too. So let's see. There it all is. Keep it all inside my barrel, I guess I'll be okay. One part of me said, yeah, we had enough paint. Another part said, no, you don't. So, it looks like we did. Ooh, if I don't hit these other paintings on the walls, too. Let's flow down here. Okay. Make sure my boards are underneath there right. Don't go anywhere with it. Yeah, this is going to take a longer process to do this one, folks, so if you bear with me and stick in there. Lots of bubbles here. Just pop a few. Good, 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 good. Okay, set that right there until we need it. A little bit more of this over here. Make sure our sides are all good. Because we won't be touching this much after we do the blow dryer on it, so I might have to patch up a few places. That's all right. Don't mind doing that from now on here and there. Okay. See how we're gonna do this. Okay, we'll go that way. Start here. And we'll go out like that. Go from here. And we'll go up like that. Okay. Now to be able to do this with just a toothpick. This is going to be the dilemma because I don't have enough of my bottles for this green. For this is a turquoise color. I wanted to use very little paint with this one. Not as much as I usually use on the other ones. And here's my fluorescent pink. Pink, 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 pink. Oh, I don't know. I hopefully it will turn out like I want it to. See, I'm really good at slobbering the paint, I call it. Okay. There's not a whole lot of that, huh? I struggle when I do these sometimes because I wind up putting on too much paint. We will work with it. There's a blue. This is a marine blue. There we go. All right. Okay. Anything else I need to do? Oop, a little bit of black. Put a little bit of black in there. Okay. Now, let's see if this will work like I wanted it to. If it doesn't, just have to destroy it and start all over. Yeah. There he is. That's what I'm looking for. That's pretty cool with all this open space. Whew, those purples are just gorgeous. Did a pink spot there, but I think I'm gonna have to take care of it. That. There we go. Well, still came out pink. It's all right. Now we got to figure out if I need to stop or if I need to go. What do we think? Okay, I think I'm going to stop right here, folks. This looks pretty cool. I will patch up that pink spot over here with some more white. There. So now my white's starting to trip a little bit here. Okay, I'm going to leave that too. I can always paint over that. Let me pause everything, give you guys a close-up of this. Yeah, I like it. I had to climb up a ladder this time to film this one. I'm in the shadow, so I'm going to go around my table here. Ooh, there's a big shadow. I don't want that. Wow. Look at that. Whew. Beautiful colors. I'll have to see how this dries. Of course. I'll get a picture from the other side too, because I think my lighting is not quite right from filming this side of it. Oh, look at all them cells, and I put no activator in this at all. Wow. Okay, guys. Once again, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching the video today. And if you found this entertaining, please like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Let's see here. Well, oh, I see the light in it there, so we'll have to booger that out. Okay, I'll give you guys a shot of this when it dries. All right, thank you.